It's day one of the self-healing retreat in St. James, Jamaica, and I am at the Rastafari Indigenous Village. That's where the retreat will be held. If you're new here, hi! I'm Stasia Alicia and I'm on a wellness and healing journey. In this video, I'm going to be sharing what I ate. I'm also going to be giving you a property tour and a room tour. I'm now at the Rastafari Indigenous Village. All right, so I'm entering. This is a double room. So there's one twin size bed on this side, and then there is another on this side. As you can see, the wooden elements, the bamboo windows, the wood, amazing. Of course, my stuff already in here. And then in the bathroom, spacious, very spacious, a nice little face basin, and then there is the inside that you can put your things here. So it's really a rustic cabin. It's a cabin. As you know, this is my thing. If you know anything about me, you know this kind of vibe, this immersion in nature is my kind of vibe. Maybe tomorrow I'll do a tour of the outside. I ended up taking a walk around the property and saw these accessories. If you know me, I had to stop. I'm at the Rastafari Indigenous Village and I'm here with Chai, the creator of Iron, the lovely pieces, accessories, and let me show you. Let me just stop talking and show you, right? All right, so this look like a sweet sop. Tell us about that.
So these are sweet sops. They dried at these small stages. We collect seeds and dried fruits, stones, natural resources. So this is sweet sop and sour sop.
Nice, and she uses them to make some statement neck pieces. Sweet. So if you love fruits like me, nice, awesome. So for those who are wondering, will these last? They will last for years?
Yes, I've been collecting them for years.
She had these handmade crochet bags with coconut husk. She also had leather bags, calabash bags, and coconut bags. She had earrings made from coconut, macrame with seeds, cow horn, and turtle shells. She also had these beautiful dream catchers made from shells and steam chalices made from bamboo and coconut. All right, so this building right here, this structure is the tabernacle. This is where the Rastafarians beat their drum, chant, and gather. So this is what inside the tabernacle looks like, the drums. And then as you can see around, there are some important figures in Rastafari and important figures in this particular indigenous village. So, you know, they have a photo of Haile Selassie and Queen Mama Ital and some other persons. They have Leonard P. Howell, who is said to be the founder. Yeah, hope I'm getting that information correct. But yeah, this is the space, the tabernacle. The structure that we're looking at is the dining area. I'll go a bit closer. You know, there's a table and chairs. So this is where we all eat and talk, you know, and reason whenever it's lunch or breakfast or dinner time. reason, share stories, foot bath, and all of that. And as you can see in the backdrop, the paintings, the murals. So what would happen is, there would be a fire in the middle and the chairs would be around this. More on this fireside space, it says this is the Rastafari ceremonial space and it always has a burning fire. The symbol is defined as an agent of change. Fire destroys and transforms evil situations to a state of harmony. Rastafari call evil government and intolerance in all existence Babylon. Fire upon Babylon. So this is the fire space. Let me give you a different perspective. Right, so normally you'd have the chairs lined around this area. So this building is the kitchen. It says to eat meat is double murder. First to kill the animal and then to eat the animal and kill yourself. Anything with eyes, nose and mouth, and when you approach it resists or run away, it is not considered to be food. Wow. So Rastafari food science. Ital is a way of preparing food without meat, salt, or anything that is processed. Unless you process it yourself, Ital is not just health food, it is love food because there is no killing to have your meal. So more of the kitchen space. And right by the kitchen door, there is a open fireside for cooking purposes. We also have other murals around the property, so this is one of them. This is another one of the murals. Another one of the murals on the property. So this is another perspective of the tabernacle. This is the wellness center. So this is a Lajin bench. I just did my session with Kindred. It helps with stretching. So I'll show you that. And this is the view of the mountains. Look at all this greenery, man. Nice. Oh my gosh. Lovely, right? Amazing. Amazing. There's a river somewhere. Not sure if you'd be able to see it. Oh, wait. See the river? Right there. Now it's dinner time and we had a cream of pumpkin soup. We also had a kale salad which had sweet potato, chickpeas, red onions, walnuts, almonds with some lemon dressing. It was delicious. And there was also pastry, vegan pastry. So after dinner we sat around the fireside and we had a foot bath with 3 herbs: broomweed, bamboo and fever grass. This was one of the things that our ancestors used to do, sit around the fireside and share stories. That is how they passed on their traditions and cultures and values. We got to know each other, shared personal stories of healing. We also reasoned and shared our perspective from one of the stories from the initiatic tales of Heshta. And then we went to bed. So that was my day 1 of this self-healing retreat. Thanks again for watching, and until next time, blessed love.